see where I've cleaned 2 spots. We're going to clean this spot here. I'm going to zoom in on this and show you that this is bad brake dust. It's been built up for a long time, and this will save you some money. But anyway, this here comes with the soap already on it. When you buy it at the grocery store or supermarket, it'll come with the soap already on it. So let's get started. I'll show you how this works. And this is going to be in real time. We're not speeding anything up. We're not trying to trick anybody. We're trying to help save you some money. I see videos on YouTube where these guys are spending $500 on a cleaning machine to clean brake dust. We're not doing that here. This is a very cheap, very effective way to clean your brake dust. But anyway, you'll see. You just have to rub a little bit there. It's a lot easier to do this when the hubcap is still on the vehicle. Because holding a hubcap is kind of hard and scrubbing it at the same time. But you can see it starting to come off there. You know, this one here is really bad. I mean, this hubcap has been neglected for a long time, and as you can see, and probably several sets of brake pads on this one. But you take and just rub this in there and go across the hubcap. Like I say, this is real time. We're not trying to make it look like this is real easy, because you do have to do a little scrubbing, but it will save you a little bit of money, and it'll turn out real nice. You'll have a real nice looking hubcap when you're done. But there you have it. I'm going to wipe this off. Nothing on this towel, just wiping it off. You'll probably have to go back over it. There'll probably be some little bit of brake dust down in some of these crevices and things. But when you get done, you'll have a really nice looking hubcap, and it'll be factory hubcap, which usually your factory hubcaps look the best on the vehicle anyway. So, you know, I hope this video helps you. I hope it saves you some money. And please subscribe, and we'll keep putting videos on there. Thank you.